In this exercise, we'll find the least common multiple of three algebraic expressions. The expressions are y squared minus 9, y squared plus 10y plus 21, and y squared plus 4y minus 21. And we'll begin by factoring each expression. Y squared minus 9 can be factored as y plus 3 times y minus 3. Y squared plus 10y plus 21 can be factored as y plus 3 times y plus 7. And finally, we have y squared plus 4y minus 21. And we can factor that as y minus 3 times y plus 7. Now, to form the least common multiple, we'll use each of these factors the greatest number of times that it occurs in any one factorization. So we can say that the least common multiple is, and let's take a look at the factors. We have y plus 3 here one time and y plus 3 here one time, and it doesn't occur in this third factorization, so one time is the greatest number of times it occurs in any one factorization. So our least common multiple will have a factor of y plus 3. Y minus 3 occurs once here, not at all here, and once here, so we'll have a factor of y minus 3. And y plus 7 is the remaining factor. It doesn't occur here. It occurs one time here and one time here. So it will be in the least common multiple one time. So the least common multiple is y plus 3 times y minus 3 times y plus 7.